Okay, today we will be installing Oshlun item LGM01 miter and portable saw laser guide. It's easy to install and use. Its laser line is parallel to cut. Fits most 7 1/4 to 12-inch miter and handheld saws. I think it's probably going to be more difficult to open this thing than it is to install it. So, we'll see. We got the handy dandy. Whoa! Yeah! Get it, Kato! Get some! Kato! Where's he at? Oh! There's the puppies! Oh, it's my boy! It's Kato! No! It's Kato! Yeah, baby! Where's Puma? There she is! There she is! Alright, here's the babies! I know, girl. I'm with you. I'm with you, girl. I'm with you. Okay, so now we're going to open this bad boy up. These batteries are actually spare, so no worries. Except not to lose them for until you need them, which has always been a challenge of mine. So, pull this out. If you got to make sure you get the right one, because here's the one for my miter saw, which is a little square, and then the other ones, of course, are the radial, and then they're just round. It looks the same on the other side. So you got to make sure you get the right one. And I have two because I got the wrong one. So this is the correct one that I need for my saw. Here is my Dewalt miter saw. So first thing we're going to do is unplug the saw. Now the saw is unplugged and totally safe, lift the guard. We have two areas that we need to focus on. One area is this bolt right here that we're going to loosen. And when we loosen this bolt, we are going to need to get that bolt to clear this lip. Because if this bolt head right here does not clear the lip, you will not be able to lift it up. The other area we need to concentrate on is this button here on this side of the blade. This button right here, when we press it, it's going to lock that blade in place so that it does not spin. Okay? So now we need our tool to loosen, work on these bolts. On the higher end saws, it comes with a tool. And we're going to take that tool right here. We're going to lift our guard. We're going to take this bolt, which is going to be lefty loosey. Right here. Loosen that. And you need to make sure it clears that lip. Okay, so you can see this bolt head has cleared the slip so that I can then lift it up. Okay? Now we can release the guard because the bolt will hold the guard in place. That will enable us get to this bolt, where we want to take this guard, this blade bolt off, and replace it with the laser guide. This is except when. It's always lefty-loosey except when. And that's right now. So this is what happens. Take it. Oh, it's turning, it's turning. This is where we hold down our button. And we can take the blade until it locks. Hold the button in. Oh, locked up. So now we can do our lefty. Oh, buddy helps fun. Remove the bolt. Remove this here. And you'll see that rectangle, square type. It's the same rectangle, square type. So we're just going to replace that. Take our bolt, lefty, tighty. Finger back on the button to keep the blade from moving. It's going to lock up here any second now. Let me see. There it is. Lefty, nice torque. Okay. Make sure your blade is secure. This, bring this back down. I really want you guys to be able to see this. Play with this. Get used to how it moves. Okay. Up. Put your finger on here. Up. Down. Up. Down. Of course, get it all the way down. And then we're back to lefty-loosey. I mean, righty-tighty and lefty-loosey. So we're going to go right, tighten it up, make sure it's really, really down in there. Seat it well before we torque. Get a good torque going. Okay. And we are good. Release your blade guard. Plug your plower back in. And we are going to test this. Now, we're going to take our safety glasses, put them on, start to saw, and when we start to saw, we're going to see a red line right here. And then we're going to do a test cut, see how accurate it is. So we're going to see a red laser line where the cut is going to go, and then we'll make the cut. Yay! Success! And that is how you change, or that is how you add a aftermarket laser to your miter saw. Keep this someplace very safe, where you can have it if you need it. And here is Kato to say thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. 20% goes to Shar-Pei Rescue. Yeah!